Next, we install the cable source from the casing. These cables are used for RGB LED lights, consisting of a LED light power cable, cable for button variation LED, and LED program cable attached to motherboard. Okay, the cable is installed, and the cable lines have been tidied up. Next, we install the VGA card. Here, I will try to use the all NVIDIA VGA. We type GTX 650 Ti. For how to install, it is quite easy. Please friends see. Oh yes, this graphic card is only used temporarily, because currently the VGA forecast is still in delivery. Okay, successfully live and go directly to the BIOS menu. For RAM speed, still at 2133 MHz. RAM speed will be 2666 MHz when the XMP feature has been activated. For hard disk SATA, I accidentally have not connected the cable. I will connect the hard disk when the OS is installed on the PNY SSD. For PCIe slot to detect VGA. And for M2 slot, detect PNY SSD. Okay, all devices detected correctly. For casing RGB light to the function normally. Now, I will do a little extra. In the PSU head dissipation section, I will install additional fun here. Function so that hot air exhaust can be processed more quickly. Every PC I build, I always add fun here. This is very effective, friends. PSUX can last up to 1,000 years or more. Okay, this is how the installation looks like. I keep a little distance so as not to disturb the position of this hybrid button. I insert the cable here. Cable condition is still safe. Still has a gap and is not painted. Next, we install the Windows operating system. And after the operating system has been installed, hard disk data we can connect. Well, PC monitor has a ribbon. And this one is VGA card has landed safely. VGA used by AMD Radeon brand. With type RX 6500 XT 4GB. This VGA performance is almost close on par with GTX 1060 6GB. Good enough to run the latest games with more medium graphic quality. Okay, we immediately install this graphic card. Oh yeah, before replacing VGA, make sure the old VGA driver has been removed. Okay, install it. I kept the riser on the graphic card so that the load is safe and not bent. For the XMP RAM feature already activated. RAM speed is working optimally. Okay, we have placed the computer on the table we made in the previous video. I think this is all, friends. Hopefully, this video is useful. Thank you for watching. See you around.